This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Amazing and updated 3/3/2 pool home on park-like setting on 0.47 of an acre that sits along Howard's Creek. Lovely foyer into open floor plan. Home features 2 spacious owner's suites. Wow! Impressive first suite with spacious bathroom, large walk-in closet and opens onto enclosed air-conditioned porch. Second suite with French doors, crown molding and entire wall of closets. Large living room opens onto covered patio area. Beautiful kitchen with wood cabinetry, SS appliances, granite countertops and pass-through window to patio. Kitchen opens into family room. Enjoy the view of the fabulous pool/patio area from the living room, kitchen, dining room and family room. Entertainer's dream. Schedule your showing. You won't be disappointed. This lovely home requires flood insurance. For more information, review the details below.